The MPVA headquarters is in Novi, Michigan. Our service officers are based out of the McNamara Federal Building in downtown Detroit. The mission of the Michigan Paralyzed Veterans of America is to enhance the lives of veterans with spinal cord injury or disease, as well as all citizens with disabilities, by advocating for civil rights and encouraging independence and healthy living. MPVA shall continue striving to remain at the forefront of both veterans' benefit services and disability rights, while working toward a better quality life for all American citizens. MPVA programs include veterans' benefits, wheelchair sports and recreation, spinal cord injury research, advocacy to eliminate architectural barriers and protect civil rights for persons with disabilities, referral services for assistive devices, housing, employment, and transportation, and loan closet for durable medical equipment that is open to all. MPVA is a non-profit organization and receives no federal funding. It relies on grants, sponsorships, and private and corporate donations to support its programs. Our organization continues to proudly serve, and with your support, we continue the mission. 2011 marked the 50th anniversary of PVA, and MPVA celebrated in April with the annual open house during PVA Awareness Week. Again this year, MPVA presented the Best City for People with Disabilities Award at the 2011 Future Cities competition. Student competitors applied real-world solutions that make their cities accessible to all residents. Wheelchair sports are recognized as powerful tools for rehabilitation and social interaction for our members and others with disabilities. Many indoor and outdoor activities are offered within and outside of Michigan, including the 32nd Annual Wheelchair Games. MPVA proudly sponsors the Wheeler Division in the annual Detroit Free Press Marathon. In 2006, MPVA worked with Comerica Park to ensure that wheelchair-accessible seating had cup holders. The 2008 Michigan football season introduced renovated wheelchair-accessible seating to football fans due to a landmark agreement between MPVA, the Department of Justice, and the University of Michigan. We continue to increase awareness in sports venues. The POW MIA Memorial in Novi was the site of an Eagle project that was spearheaded by MPVA. The memorial site was significantly improved by becoming handicap accessible while maintaining the integrity and the beauty of the surrounding landscape. The newly renovated and permanent stage area will be used throughout the year. On the MPVA website, www.michiganpva.org, is a link to the Pump Guide, an online directory of gas stations offering full pump services at self-serve prices that is partnered with the Michigan Secretary of State to serve drivers with disabilities in Michigan. We continue to work with fuel companies to increase the number of stations. MPVA publishes the Rollin' Times, which serves to inform members of PVA and interested parties about veterans' issues, legislation, legal decisions, medical technology, and other matters relevant to the disabled community. Our members enjoy annual events such as the Summer Picnic, the Holiday Party, parades, as well as the annual Salute to Veterans. We are proud to be associated with other groups serving the needs of our veterans and are always ready to give referrals and advice to those with spinal cord injury. We are pleased to have a fine office staff and service officers, as well as our officers and directors, board, and advisory committee. MPVA thanks all the supporters and volunteers and looks forward to more strides and more successes in the future.